Do you have a pair of Ray-Ban Clubmasters that are broken? Hi, this is Glenn and Michael with All American Eyeglass Repair. We've been in business for more than 30 years. I'm going to show you the most common repair needed, the broken brow bar. This piece is actually independent from the frame. So Michael will take this off. It's mounted with two screws, one in the nasal area and one on the outside. What generally happens is the plastic splits right through there. When that happens, we need to replace the brow bar. This piece comes in two different colors. There's the black and the tortoise. And it comes in two eye sizes, a 51i and a 49i. We keep these in stock, so when your frame comes in, we take the frame apart like you see, put a brand new brow bar on, get the frame right back to you. For more information, contact AmericanEyeglassRepair.com. You can go directly to our Ray-Ban page, and all the information you need is right there. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us or call us at the number provided. All American Eyeglass Repair, because you need